Hey there, fellas. Alright, today we're coming at you with a new episode featuring this machine. Our homemade Cybertruck. As you can see, I'm all dressed up and ready to go. We're all just about ready to bounce. So yeah, today we'll be heading for the test track, where we're gonna let this thing loose. As somebody rightfully suggested in the comments, that would be a nice contrast as opposed to it crawling around like a turtle. So one of the guys from our crew actually challenged me to throw down. He was all like, I dominated that tug-of-war we did. Your cars had nothing on mine. And this one also doesn't stand a chance. We all took to that pretty casually, basically telling him that he can run his mouth all he wants, but it'd be best to take this to the test track and settle everything there. Find out who's who, what's what, and whose car will come out on top in a tug-of-war. Okay, as we like to say around here, enough talk, let's load the car, head out and do this. Tesla Cybertruck versus Porsche Cayenne. Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. Alright, so we've carefully made our way over to the test track, and we're just about to kick off the contest that we came out here to do, to see which car has superior grip, this Cayenne or our Cybertruck. Now, I think we reached the point where it might be appropriate to make a sort of disclaimer. You see, our Cybertruck is using rubber which is much better suited for driving in the mud. Not exactly what you'd call winter tires. As for that Cayenne, well, the owner keeps on complaining about being broke and whatever. Yeah, he's making excuses for why he's running such a lousy set of tires on his car. Anyway, that's beside the point. What matters is the odds are more or less even. Though I do reckon this car weighs a bit less than that one. I mean, there's literally nothing in there. Right, now we just tie the two together with a rope and look on to see who pulls away. We've already done this before, and this here car slowly but confidently won against all those other vehicles. We've decided to leave our van and all those other rigs out of this one, opting for the winner instead. And now we hold another contest to see who's the ultimate winner. Let's do this. One, two, three. That was pretty easy. Oh shit. Looks like you don't stand a chance. Right, fellas, that was to be expected. Apparently the rubber is this car's main weakness. Maybe it's down to a lack of weight. He's definitely got some fancy electronics in there. He won, but I do think we can find a way to trick him. There will be a bit of cheating involved. Get your ass over here, but stay quiet. We'll be hooking up another car. Oh, is he gonna be disappointed when we tell him how worthless his Cayenne is. There we go. Like so. 1, 2, 3. Wait, what? All we had to do was get his wheels to spin. That's enough, dude. You set me up. You set me up. Well, yeah, of course. I didn't see it at first. I'm sitting there thinking, oh my god, for real? Yeah, like how's that even possible? I almost thought you put in some studs in 5 seconds. Yeah, some push-button retractable studs. I'm in the car thinking that you're doing some filming, but you were hooking up another car. Aren't you guys sneaky? Well, what else did you expect? We had to find some way to pull a prank on you. Then again, even 2 cars struggled against you. Yeah, you didn't have an edge right away. I'd say this one was more of a paperweight. You actually pulled me pretty hard. I thought I was about to smack that Cybertruck. No, you would have been fine. This is all cool and everything, but I just don't have the grip. And I roasted the clutch. Oh, I thought that was me. Nah, it was coming from this thing. I even engaged the low range, but you gotta be careful to keep it from slipping. The guys tell me that we bought just the right rear axle yesterday. Yeah? Yeah, so yesterday we actually replaced the axle. And it's got an LSD from the looks of it. Really, you've got both wheels rotating at the same time. We need to get some UZ action going in the Cybertruck, I swear to god. Just like the people said in the comments. Or maybe a GZ or some other big engine. I'd go for a washing machine motor. Yeah, like 8 electric motors, right? At each corner. You got any other ideas? I don't know. We've decided to take this to a different playing field. We've brought both cars to the deep snow. Nothing extreme, of course, but it'll do. What do you think is gonna win? I have no idea. I bet you it's gonna be that Cybertruck. I'd happily take another 7 to 10 people on board mine. Or maybe even 15. Oh wow, it is cold outside. Let's give this a try. See what happens on this kind of surface. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Come on now. Say what? Doesn't look like this is going anywhere. What up? Can't move? I can't even pull myself out. Seriously? Are you actually stuck? Sure looks like it. What do you know? I made it out okay. I'm scared to even go against myself now. There you have it. It's not moving. That Cayenne. He's having a hard time pulling himself through that snow, let alone dragging another car. Mine is also immobilized. Though I do think I've dug straight to the pavement. And now it's all wheel spin. At this point, I don't think this contest is going to work. We'll call it a draw. I know who won. The snow. We've made it back onto the road, where we've got some packed snow. Now let's try doing that again. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Come on. I can't do it, man. Oh, there we go. There we go. That doesn't look like a two-way diff to me. Look at him digging the snow. That was pretty interesting at the very least. Oh yeah, will you look at that. It dug deep. Dug right in there. That snow is pretty deep. I do have a sort of hatch. Maybe you've got something you could load into the trunk. Nah, or you don't have a trunk. That's the thing, man, it doesn't have a trunk. Though we could place a concrete slab onto the car. I thought that was pretty interesting. But I reckon we didn't see what the Cybertruck can really do. Here's the main problem as I see it. If we load the car up, we might not have enough power. Then again, it did drive with all of that concrete. It'll work. All it has to do is set off. After that, it's game over. Yeah, considering the tires bite pretty hard. Okay then, we did okay here. 107% success rate. That Cayenne rocks. Anyway, fellas, that's all we got for you. The Cayenne won again. Watch us, subscribe, send in those comments and suggestions, give us a big thumbs up. Alright, catch you later.